The Tale of Sam and the Lost Keys. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a fun and simple story for you. It's about a common problem we all face, losing our keys. One evening, Sam came home from work feeling tired. He reached into his pocket to take out his keys. But guess what? No keys. Sam checked all his pockets. Nothing. He opened his bag and searched. Still no keys. He even checked his jacket. But the keys were missing. Sam stood outside his door and thought, where did I leave them? He remembered locking the door in the morning, so they had to be somewhere. He thought hard. Did I leave them at the office? Sam called his friend Alex. He said, Alex, I lost my keys. Can I stay at your house tonight? Alex laughed and replied, of course, come over. Sam called his friend Alex. He said, Alex, I lost my keys. Can I stay at your house tonight? Alex laughed and replied, of course, come over. The next morning, Sam went to the office. He looked around his desk. And there they were, his keys. He smiled and said to himself, I need to be more careful next time. Sam learned a simple but important lesson: always check your keys before you leave a place. Have you ever lost your keys? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun stories. See you in the next video.